And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
John, that was like a gut punch, and I have to follow up that, so I'm going to try to make it better with this. I tease this picture. John and Warren always send some amazing pictures, but this is awesome. Whenever you get the reflection of the sky onto the water, and it's special around here, this is a beautiful look. And I cannot thank you enough, John. This is my Friday. Yeah, right? It should be something you hang up in the living room and you frame something like that. This is my Friday right now, and that's the way I want to go out this weekend. I'll tell you for the weekend. I'll tell you that. abc6.com/weather or abc6.com. There's a submit your photos, and you can post your picture right there, just like John did. And John sent pictures in many times. And John, thank you for watching, and thank you for the picture, my friend. I appreciate it. Temperatures low to mid-20s, cold, but it's going to get a lot colder tonight. How cold? Well, temperatures in the single digits to around 10 degrees. Frigid air here, and then kind of wrapping back around into portions of the upper Midwest. Now, what happens is this really frigid air is going to win out for the next couple of days. In fact, the really cold air has made it all the way down into South Texas and eventually for the Carolinas, and almost the entire U.S. going into this weekend will be below average. The only way you're going to find any warmth is if you fly to Miami. That's the only place that will stay above average. And even for Miami standards, it's going to be on the cool side in the 70s. Forecast tomorrow, partly sunny skies, low to mid-20s, and a cold day tomorrow. Let me show you some weird things that are happening across the U.S. I just talked about how everybody's cold, right? Big dome of high pressure in Canada sliding south, frigid air for many. Not frigid at the coast in the Gulf of Mexico, but cold enough that there's a wintry mix happening near Brownsville, Texas, where they have winter storm warnings issued for tonight. That's bizarre. Let me take you east. This low pressure here with colder air diving south is now an ice storm warning issued for Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. So cold and some wintry precipitation in areas you don't usually see it. So we got to get this, right? I mean, if the Carolinas and South Texas can have freezing rain, snow, and sleet, we do too, right? No, not really, because that low pressure, that's going to bring the ice to areas in the Carolinas as we go into the day for tomorrow at 1 p.m. Watch this area of ice expand. This is going to be making national news with how thick that ice is going to be. You're going to see palmetto trees that are going to be like tipped over on the side, right? It's crazy. So all this rain and all this snow and ice lifting north, right? And you think it's coming our way, but it's not. It essentially hits a proverbial wall right here and just whoop, right out to sea, which means I get to stay at home and watch the Titans on Saturday, which I'm very happy about. You get to stay dry as the storm continues to exit into the North Atlantic Saturday afternoon, and therefore it is a miss. But it does lock in the cold for the weekend. We may stay dry, but temperatures only in the 20s and 30s, overnight lows, single digits and teens. Dry Monday, sunny, chance of rain, snow Tuesday, and another shot of really frigid air awaits for the end of next week. John.
Life comes down to a